Why aging is no longer inevitable and why only some will benefit. For most of human history, aging was considered inevitable, a slow and irreversible process written into biology itself. No matter wealth, power, or status, every human body followed the same trajectory. Aging was destiny. Today, that assumption is quietly being challenged, not by supplements, not by lifestyle advice, but by laboratories, advanced biology, and billions of dollars in investment. The idea behind age reversal is not immortality, it is control. For decades, aging was treated as a natural process beyond intervention. Medicine focused on managing age-related diseases rather than aging itself. That changed when scientists began to view aging as cumulative biological damage that might be slowed or potentially reversed. At the center of this shift is a field known as epigenetics. Epigenetics studies how cells regulate gene expression over time. While DNA remains largely unchanged, the instructions controlling it degrade. This degradation affects how cells function. As errors accumulate, tissues lose resilience, organs weaken, the body ages. In recent years, experiments in animals have shown that some of these epigenetic markers can be partially reset. Cells regain characteristics associated with youth. Tissue function improves. In limited contexts, biological age appears to move backward. These results are early and tightly controlled, but they change one critical assumption. Aging might not be permanent. This possibility triggered a shift far beyond academic research. Major technology figures and investment firms began funding longevity science at unprecedented levels. Google-backed Calico Labs, Altos Labs, supported by some of the world's wealthiest individuals. Venture capital pouring into cellular reprogramming, senolytics, and regenerative medicine. This is not philanthropy, it is strategic investment. Because age reversal, if partially successful, reshapes entire systems. Healthcare, labor markets, retirement, power. Age reversal does not mean living forever. It means extending productive, healthy years. And that creates a new divide. The first beneficiaries will not be entire populations. They will be those with access. Advanced therapies require specialized labs, long development cycles, and regulatory approval. They are expensive by design. In early stages, these treatments will exist at the intersection of elite medicine and private healthcare. Access will be limited. Costs will be high. Distribution will be unequal. This is where age reversal becomes a political and economic issue. If longevity becomes unevenly distributed, existing inequalities deepen. Longer productive lives mean extended influence. Wealth compounds over time. Power remains concentrated longer. Institutions built around predictable lifespans begin to strain. Retirement systems assume biological decline. Healthcare models assume aging as a fixed curve. Political systems assume generational turnover. Age reversal disrupts all of them. The question is not whether aging research will succeed completely. It likely will not. The question is how much control becomes possible and who controls it. Even modest gains in biological age reversal would shift competitive advantages. Nations with early access gain productivity. Corporations with internal longevity programs retain leadership longer. Individuals with resources extend peak performance. Meanwhile, populations without access age as before. This creates a two-speed society, one where biological aging slows and one where it does not. Ethical concerns are often framed around fairness, but the deeper issue is governance. Who regulates longevity technologies? Who decides eligibility? Who bears the cost? History suggests that transformative technologies rarely distribute evenly at first. They follow capital, they follow power, they follow systems already in place. Age reversal is unlikely to be different. This does not mean the science should stop, but it does mean the conversation cannot remain purely biological. Age reversal is not just about extending life. It is about reshaping how societies organize time, work, and authority. For centuries, aging imposed limits that no system could bypass. Those limits are now being tested, quietly, incrementally, and unequally. Aging may no longer be inevitable, but access to its reversal will be.